My fan in the front of my RV has gone belly up. And so my friend Rob was having some work done on his rig next door to me by a gentleman named Paul. And he is going to climb up and give me an estimate for what it would cost to have that installed. But then I have to go find one. And I don't know if we have that kind of time or not, but we're playing it out as we go. This is the fan that needs to be replaced. And my friend Rob has offered to drive me to town to look at fans to see what can go up there. Fingers crossed. Okay, everybody, so we went in there and they had Max Air and Fantastic fan. I thought I wanted a Max Air fan because they've been rating better than the Fantastic fans that have owned the market forever. But they had the exact same one that is in my ceiling, so I don't have to take it off at the roof and all of that. I might be able to just pop that up in there. And listen to me saying I might be able to. Y'all know me better than that. Randy the Mobile Traveler and Jana Frugal RV Gal can do that. It won't be me. But and also while I was in there, I checked on switching out from the on-demand water heater that I had upgraded to back to a Suburban because I hate it so much. And if y'all haven't seen that video, please go watch it because you need to know about on-demand heaters before you put them in your RV and the reasons why I hate it. But anyway, I got pricing on that and it's almost $600. But this fan, you guys, Rob gifted it to me. Rob, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And he's so sweet. Rob and I have been friends since the early 90s. That's my seatbelt. I got to put my seatbelt on. Anyway, I just am blown away. I just am so blessed. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now put your seatbelt on.
Oh, it's on the seat. Is it all together?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's all in one piece.
Sure I don't fall with this puppy. All right, dear, can you get all of us? Randy is at it again. Thank you, dear heart.
You're welcome.
Okay, so it is fixed. It turns out it was a problem with the voltage and wiring. Is that correct, Randy?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, thank you, bud.
You are very welcome.
Woohoo! Got fan, got voltage, got air.
And we got milk.
And we got milk. Where's the beef? Okay, so I have my fan in the front of my video. Crap, starting over.